My journey with EPAM actually started after my 6 years of career break. So I wanted to take some break for my family, just to focus on my kids. I was in job search. Initially, I was a bit disappointed because it was hard to justify. But then when I come across with a colleague from EPAM, I somehow felt understood, I felt seen. It was nice to restart my career with a company that values this type of breaks or it gives importance to family. The HR was really supportive when it comes to understanding this type of career gaps. I've got actually 3 kids and I work 6 hours per day at EPAM as a part-time, and I try to manage to find a bit of time for myself. I'm a serious age grouper, a triathlete. So to do this all, it requires a little bit organized chaos situation. So it's nice to plan things ahead. Yeah, my day starts with trying to put kids to school, and then after fully focus at my work, I give everything to those 6 hours and pick my kids up and carry on the day as much as possible. And just to have a flexibility in your personal life, it's just great to have.